Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here at CUAV 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Run into our old friends from YellowScan, Justin at YellowScan here. You got a pretty interesting piece of tech there, my friend.
Yeah, man.
Tell me about it.
We're proud of this one. So this really marks YellowScan moving out of the integrator phase of its business into the innovator phase of its business. This is the YellowScan Explorer. It is a homegrown, fully proprietary LiDAR system that we developed in consortium with the European Union and Airbus. It's a really good one. Happy to share anything you'd like to know about it.
Yeah, in terms of I know a lot of people look at this and it seems behemoth, but what's this payload weigh? Because when you're pairing it with the drone, that's obviously a big concern.
Yeah, it looks big, but it's about 5 pounds.
Okay.
We can fly it on a DJI M300. So, yeah.
Okay, excellent. In terms of the accuracy, I know that's the other thing with LiDAR. People are really concerned about how many pings, how many echoes are you going to get. Tell us about the accuracy on that and what type of applications you could use it for.
Absolutely. So, yeah, we're about a 2.2 accuracy and about 2.6 in precision. So it's a really highly accurate and precise LiDAR system. The other cool thing about it is that it has an operating range up to 300 meters. We'd recommend around 200 meters, but this thing goes the distance.
That really does. That's crazy. And it stays that same level of consistency for accuracy even at 300 meters. That's where it's at.
But when we're testing it, we want to be sure we're at the best field of view. That's 200 meters. So,
okay,
yeah.
Understood.
Yeah, but we can take that up to 300.
Okay, gotcha. Now you were mentioning some of the drones that fits on, like for instance the M300.
Sure.
One of the things that we were talking about is going from fitting these to the drone and sort of just playing not catch up necessarily, but keeping pace with the rest of the industry. You're now innovating. So what does this mean for compatibility with other drones?
Yeah, so we can go on just anything with the weight capacity to carry it. We have great integrations with FreeFly, with Watts Innovation, with Harris Aerial. I don't want to leave anybody out. Basically, if you got the capacity to lift it, we have the mount to make that happen. So versatility all across the industry.
Absolutely. Now you guys did send me a unit to review, which that's coming in the very near future to the Drone Geek and the Droning Company's channel. We're talking about maybe doing the same thing with this, maybe. What can I expect as a user, an end user, from this in terms of the type of jobs that I can do with it, the type of scanning that I can do?
Yeah, it's a survey-grade LiDAR scanner, so you can go out and it's got 5 returns, so it's going to penetrate the canopy very well. So any survey work, building digital elevation models, digital terrain models, it's got great intensity values for picking up power lines or assets, pipelines. I mean, you name it, this thing's going to get it done.
That's awesome. In terms of the power on board, how does this get powered? Does it get powered through the UAV or?
Well, every YellowScan product, we have the option to draw power from a battery that's integrated and internal, or it can draw power directly from the drone. So we give you both options.
Excellent. That's super versatile. People want to learn more about this unit. They want to learn more about YellowScan. Where can they go?
Sure. www.yellowscan.com. Give us a call. We're good people and we want to talk to you.
I can attest to that. Really easy to work with, really great people. Definitely call them if you're looking for a LiDAR unit. Justin, thank you so much, man.
Pleasure, Chris.
Really appreciate it. Thank you.